Hello little artists! Welcome back! Today we're going to draw a super cute unicorn Kuromi together. First, draw one oval. And now another oval. Next, draw a tiny little oval for Kuromi's cute nose. Now let's draw her happy little smile. Draw one line and another line and the half oval to shape her sweet little face. Now draw a half oval and another oval. It's time to draw her hair. Now let's draw something magical. Unicorn Kuromi's beautiful unicorn horn. This isn't an ordinary Kuromi. It's a magical unicorn Kuromi. We'll color her rainbow horn at the end, so stay with me. Now let's draw her ears. They look like little triangles. Draw one ear and now the other one. Let's make the tips nice and round. Perfect! Kuromi's head is finished. Now let's draw her adorable costume. Looking great! First, her right arm. Now, her left arm. Follow my lines as we draw her little body. Next comes her right leg. And now, her left leg.
Wonderful! Our unicorn Kuromi is almost finished. Oh, I can see the little skull on her hood. Let's draw its eyes. Now the tiny teeth. And finally, the shape of the skull. It looks so cute. Now let's decorate our drawing. I'm adding some hearts and sparkling stars. You can decorate yours any way you like. Maybe add a smiling sun, a happy moon, more stars, pretty flowers, a rainbow, or even a cute little butterfly. Let's color our magical unicorn Kuromi. Use your favorite colors. Take your time and have fun. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to come back for another drawing adventure. Bye bye, little artists.